Hello and good morning everyone. So today is the second trading session of this week. So let's get started with today's top stocks and news. The first one is Tata Motors because company released March auto sales numbers where the total sales are up by 0.5% at 92,994 units, which is on the flatter side on Y&Y basis. If you look at the domestic sales, it is also on the flat side, reported at 90,500 units on yearly basis. Commercial vehicle sales are down by 3% and the passenger vehicle sales including EV is up by 3% at 51,872 units. The next stock which you need to look at is Hyundai Motors because total monthly sales are up by 2.6% at 67,320 units and domestic sales are reported at 51,820 units, whereas exports are reported at 15,500 units. The next stock which you need to look at is Coal India because company is going to hike coal price by 10 per ton for coking, non-coking with respect from 16th of April 2025. To hike notified price of coal from 10 rupees per ton to 20 rupees per ton for non-coking coal, and to hike notified price of coal to 10 rupees per ton for the coking coal. The next stock is MOIL because price of ore with manganese content of manganese 44% and above increased by 3%. Price of ore with manganese content below 44% increased by 0.5%. And price of all SMGR manganese 30% and SMGR manganese 25% and the fine increased by 0.5%. Whereas price of all chemical grades have been increased by 3%. The next stock is KEC International because company has received new order worth 1,236 crores across various business. With these orders, our total order intake of fiscal year 25 stands at record level of 24,600 crores, a robust growth of 36% on Y&Y basis, said by the management. The next stock is Power Grid because company has been declared as a successful bidder under tariff-based competitive bidding to establish interstate transmission system for the project, namely transmission system for evacuation of power of Mahan Energy Limited generating station in Madhya Pradesh under boot basis. The next stock which you need to look at is JSW Energy because company adds 3.6 gigawatt of generation capacity in fiscal year 25. Now the installed generation capacity at the end of fiscal year 25 stand at 10.9 gigawatt and adds 2.8 gigawatt of operational capacity in quarter 4 to fiscal year 25. The next stock is CSB Bank quarter 4 update company has released where the total deposit is up by 10.3% at 36,861 crores versus 33,407 crores on quarterly basis. CASA is also up by 11% at 8,918 crores versus 8,042 crores on sequential basis, whereas gross advances are up by 10.3% at 31,843 crores versus 28,915 crores on quarter basis. So these were some of the stocks which you need to look at in today's trading session. Thank you. Bye-bye.